With a T10, take this screw out. And remove the sensor. And if you have a valve stem remover, you can use that type of tool or some type of pliers. Just use a rag so you don't scratch the rim. And just pull it through. Just like that. Take the new sensor, you can just put a little bit of tire lube on the valve. And slide it through. Use your installer or some pliers and pull it through, make sure it seats properly. If you're having trouble seating it, you can take the sensor off so you can pull it through a little easier. And that looks like it's seated all the way around. Now put the tire back on. With the vehicle started, monitor the cluster and you're gonna scroll over to the right and you're gonna see tire pressures here. If you don't see tire pressures right there, you're gonna scroll through. You can go up or down. This is where you can reset your oil life as well. And then hold down the button when you're on the tire pressures. When the horn beeps, now we're gonna go around to all the tires. You're gonna start with the driver's side front and you're gonna need one of these tools, and right near the tire where the valve stem is, push the button. And when you hear the beep, then you move on to the next one. In this exact order, you do the driver's side front and then the passenger side front. Passenger side rear. And driver's side rear. Then you know you're all done, you can shut the vehicle off.